Hey guys, so I wanted to make a little video about our travels from the States to Okinawa. This is going to be a part of our Outside the Shop playlist. I'm going to queue it up right here so that you guys can look at any other videos that you would want to. Then I added in a little bit of the first couple of weeks that we were in Okinawa, some of the things that we've done. We hit a Ferris wheel, we hit a couple of the beaches and stuff like that, before we can get in a house and actually have a shop set up. But I recorded some, I've got a little pictures, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm going to try to at least bring one video of outside the shop stuff, either per month or every other month or something like that, depending on how much stuff we do. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. As always, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and we will catch you next time. All right, see ya. Hey, babe.
Oh, no. We gotta stay in the crate. It's okay.
Alright, so we're on the Ferris wheel, which is one of the things that is on the bucket list. So we got this list that is 100 things to do in Okinawa.